This James again here. Hey, I'm about to go back into this courthouse here and file a complaint form, as you can see here, on the sheriff.
Okay, good.
And the once again, the security and the sheriff refused to identify themselves. Is there a possibility that you could be a witness to this or something like that? Anyway,
I mean, I don't know if I can be a witness, but I'll certainly keep. I'll walk with you. I'll be with you there as you go through this.
okay.
And again, if they don't want to identify themselves, then you write that down in the report. Do you understand?
Yeah.
That's just keeping track of the information, and that you have the right to do that, and you should do that. And again, you will eventually be, if this goes further, they will have to reveal who is that security guard that grabbed you.
Okay. And the sheriff himself didn't want to identify himself either, and they got very threatening with me and they escalated the situation incredibly fast. So
well, they might behave differently if I'm there with you.
That's what I was asking. If I could walk through here, and if you wouldn't mind, just.
I'm with you. I'm with you.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate that. I'm walking in the front door right now.
I didn't.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
I figured they just did a scaffold anyway.
James, just be calm and speak in a calm tone of voice.
So this is the security here. This is my attorney on the line right here. She's want to put her hands on me. And she wouldn't identify herself either. I asked her what her name was. See, same thing. She still won't identify herself. This lady here was very professional.
Okay, James, just continue to file your complaint.
Yep. Can we get the sheriff over here? That was Gilbert. Is that his name? Okay. Can I get his name for this complaint form here? Okay. And this is the officer that escalated the situation very quickly. See this lady here, the security, she's still
you
like.
Escalate the situation, you're supposed to take your belt off. If you don't want to do it, then you don't come in court.
How you doing, sir? This is my attorney, so he's saying it's against the law. I got my attorney.
It's right out there.
This is the one that's escalating the situation here.
It's posted, and you're not allowed to film me. You can film me outside all you want.
Okay. Can I get your name, please?
You have my name, sir.
And see, he won't identify.
You said it twice.
I never said it.
A.Griswold, Griswold. Please turn your phone off and stop filming in the lobby. I'm not going to ask again.
Okay.
It's against the law. I'll bring you the paperwork. I'll be more than happy to talk to you outside.
You see how he's escalating the situation?
Okay, go outside with him, James. Go outside with him and continue the filing of the complaint.
Come outside when I'm ready to give you information. I told you I'd bring
Go outside with him.
Okay, he won't come outside, sir. He won't come outside. See, and then he runs away. See how it is? How
So again, you need to gather, collect your thoughts,
yeah,
and write down exactly what has occurred. Because I heard him invite you outside and to speak to you outside, and now he ran back inside.
Yeah, and he was very aggressive about it. And he told me, he said, I already gave you my name, but he wouldn't identify. And I he didn't give me his name before, and I'm asking for it again. This guy is so hostile. I mean, he's a trigger puller.
Yeah, his tone of voice was very sharp. That's for sure. I agree with you on that. Again, I don't understand. They're not allowed to grab you to pull off your belt. You're not allowed to do that. Again, they're only allowed to do that is if they suspect you of committing a crime or you're going to commit a crime. And that's obviously not the case. You're going to the courthouse with your son, and right here, you're just going to try to obtain their names to file a complaint.
That's it, yeah. And
proceed to file proceed to file the complaint. And again, as the criminal procedure proceeds, you will be able to obtain their names.
Okay.
Fully.
And all I asked was for his name, and the guy still would not identify. He said, I already gave you that, which he never did in the beginning. And then I said, well, can you come outside then and tell me? Because he kicked me out. And he said it was against the law to film in the lobby, and I don't believe that's a law. But anyways, and now I got a patrol unit showing up here now too. But all I'm asking him for is the guy's name, and he will not identify himself.
Again, I don't understand that. if you ain't got something to hide, why are you gonna hide your name? It doesn't make sense.
Okay, he's coming right here. Here we go. We got 2 law enforcement coming out.
Clearly say before that I was refusing to come outside, sir? Because that's what I understood you say. That I was refusing to come outside?
No, I didn't say you were refusing.
You did not?
No, I didn't say
I'll
that.
check my recording.
Why are you so aggressive,
Because
sir?
I'm
This is
100%
my
sure that I
attorney
heard
right
you
here.
tell your attorney right on the phone that I was refusing to come outside
No, I
when I
didn't say
clearly
that.
stated that I was getting the information to provide you to tell you that you cannot film in the lobby. This is for you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Can I please get your name, your badge number?
I already told you my name.
I'm just asking again, sir.
Okay, so you're telling me that you can't see because I'm wearing a name tag.
See,
and
he's
my badge
very
number is
mocking.
Right here.
He's mocking me here,
I'm
sir.
not mocking you, sir.
I'm just asking you a question.
James, obtain his name, and that's it. And go ahead.
Who are you? And what case are you related to?
Now he wants me to identify myself, but he won't give me any of his information. This
Right,
is my
so
attorney.
I already told you my first letter, my last name is right here, my badge number is right here on my badge. You told me you could read.
I can't see your badge
We established that earlier. It's 2005, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Welcome.
Appreciate it.
And who are you?
I'd prefer not to identify
So
myself.
you're refusing to tell me who you are. Have a nice day.
Okay. Do I need to? I'm not a public servant, sir. If I'm not committing a crime, why are you so angry, sir?
James.
Seriously.
James.
Yes, sir.
Discontinue talking to him. You got his badge number. That's all you need.
Okay.
You can file.
Okay.
You have grounds to file a criminal complaint. You can do that.
Okay.
But there's no reason to continue the conversation. You got his name. The lady who actually grabbed you. She admitted to grabbing you. You have that on video now. That she admitted to grabbing you. That's not within her abilities. That's not within the law. And she will be identified as the criminal process continues.
Okay. All right. Well, I appreciate you once again. Is this a video that you and me? This here is this in a cloud somewhere? Has this been recorded so that at least
it's been recorded? But you have the same video on your phone of who is that? But everything we have is recorded. If in case it does need to be subpoenaed as part of a court process later.
Absolutely. With this guy's hostility, though, I'm concerned that there's going to be some retaliation when I leave the parking lot. Is the only reason why I'm a little bit, I just want it recorded and documented that their behavior.
I mean, if you want me to stay on with you until you actually leave the scene, I'm here.
Okay. I think we're okay with that. But if I do get pulled over and I request assistance again, can I get you directly? Or?
For sure.
Okay.
For sure. I'm here. I'm here for the next hour and a half.
Okay. I really appreciate it. And thank you so much, sir. And I'll, if I hit this, you just see how hostile these guys are. And this is San Bernardino. These guys are notorious for just ruthlessness. They're extremely ruthless. I mean, LAPD.
I don't understand that.
But
again,
okay.
Security officers and police officers are trained not to behave like this. That's for sure.
Yeah. All right, sir. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I'll give you a call if I need you.
We're here. Okay. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.